This is Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, and today I would like to share a few useful camera tips and tricks on this device. Let's begin by exploring the most standout and interesting camera feature of this particular flip phone is that you can pretty much use your additional screen as you would use this screen if you were to take a selfie. So to put it in other more simple words, you can take selfies using back camera while previewing yourself. So just do that, or well, it should automatically switch between those screens. So let's flip it like that, and yep, as you can see, it shows the preview from the main cameras, so you can very easily and simply take more quality selfies, or simply just use your back camera for taking selfies effectively, should I say. Then moving on, let's also explore the available camera modes that this phone has to offer. So first, the Pro mode, a very useful feature that gives you as much manual control over your camera photos as this phone possibly can. You can adjust the focus, white balance, shutter speed, ISO, and exposure values. Then in the more section you'll find the Ultra Res mode that, well, is pretty self-explanatory and takes pictures in the way higher resolution utilizing the 50 megapixels lens. Now let's compare two photos we have snapped. One of them is regular photo, another one is Ultra Res. So this one I assume is, this one is Ultra Res, and this one should be regular photo. Yep, so the regular photo's resolution is 3K by 4K, and that's the level of details it retains. It's not bad, but the Ultra Res has its detail level way higher, and the resolution is also 2 times as high. Then if you'll go into your camera settings, you'll find a bunch of interesting options that you might have missed otherwise. So here is the entire external display section, which is unique to Razr phones, since they are the only Motorola devices that have external display, or flip phones for that matter. Here you have the instant review option that will show a preview on the external display after capturing with the flip open. It also has the camera cartoon option, which will show an animation on the external display to get your subject's attention, as well as the external display preview mode, which you can switch between switched off, no crop, or crop. Then here you can also find the AI shot optimization, which will enhance photos with automatic turning and AI scene detection, so I recommend you switch it on, as well as the AI audio. That's also a pretty interesting feature. So you can switch on the audio zoom, and this way, once you will record videos and will zoom in, the camera will pay attention and amplify the sound, the audio in the area you have zoomed into. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching, and bye bye.